Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. So today on the dooryard, the plan right now is supposedly my brake line is showing up on Wednesday. We'll see how that works, cross the fingers. Thursday is my day off, so I want to get all the snow cleared off the tank here so that it's not, when I do go to crawl underneath this thing and work on it, it's not dripping on me quite so much. All right. Let's move around and take a look at the trunk area. And then getting up on the roof, that's going to be a little bit more difficult, I'm afraid. Oh yeah. And look what I find under there. More of these damn maple seeds. Oh my God, those things drive me nuts. They're like beach sand. Just a little bit of an exposure to them and they're around forever. Let's see if we can't give you a little bit better view of the roof here. Let's see how good we can get some of that cleared off. Yep, we got about 4 inches of wet, slushy snow a couple days ago, and I didn't do a damn thing about clearing this off when it was fresh and easy to get. So I guess now I'm paying the price. But Yeah, all right, so I guess that's probably going to be it for today. I just want to try and get stuff together and ready to go, so when we get that brake line in here and get that set up. Today's going to be the last day above freezing for quite a while, apparently. So, you know, I wanted to get this off here while in the heat of the day. All the way up to 34 today. Woohoo! I bet you it's closer to like 35. Maybe even 37 now. I don't know. Tough telling. But at least I got the majority off. The rest will, yeah, I can see it melting, especially on that black vinyl top. It won't take long. I'd like to thank you all for watching this short video. And as we move away from Thanksgiving and into the Christmas season, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I appreciate you watching. Click like, subscribe, little bell icon, comment, all that happy hoo-ha. Have a good day. This has been an Empty Pockets production.